Alright, let's continue to add rational expressions. And over here we have 4x minus 3 all over x plus 1 over x. We don't have a common denominator to get started, so we're going to need, in this case, to actually multiply them together to get a common denominator. And the common denominator will be just x times x plus 1. So how are we going to do that? Well, what I'll do is that I'll just multiply the first fraction by x over x, and the second fraction, which is 1 over x for now, by x plus 1 over x plus 1. Okay, now let's simplify everything. So now I can distribute the x's up top, and I get 4x squared minus 3x all over. I can distribute the x down at the bottom as well. X times x is x squared, x times 1 is just x. Sorry about that. Then over here, if I distribute the 1, I'm just going to get x plus 1 all over, again, x squared plus x. Now we can finally combine the fractions. Down at the bottom we can have x squared plus x, and up top I can just add them up. So I have 4x squared minus 3x plus x plus 1. And now I can combine like terms. Running out of room here. So we have 4x squared. Negative 3x plus 2, or sorry, negative 3x plus x is negative 2x plus 1 all over x squared plus x. And that's as far as we can go there, because the top trinomial, or the trinomial in the numerator, is not factorable. So now let's continue over here. We have 2m over m minus 5 over 4m minus 2. Again, what we'll need to do is find a common denominator. And the common denominator, once again, will need to be m times 4m minus 2. So in this case, we have I multiply the first fraction by 4m minus 2 over 4m minus 2, and the second fraction will be multiplied by just m over m. That way we get our common denominator that we need. So 5 just times m times m, and then over here just multiply top and bottom by 4m minus 2, as you can see over here. Okay, now we can combine everything. Down at the bottom, I will just write the common denominator once. And at the top, I can just combine everything. I can even distribute at this point. So I have 2m times 4m, and 8m squared, 2m times negative 2, negative 4m, and we're subtracting 5m. Okay. I will refrain from just expanding the bottom at this point. I'll just continue to go on. And up top here we have 8m squared. Negative 4m minus 5m is negative 9m. And down at the bottom I have just still the m times 4m minus 2. Now I can just take one more small step to simplify this rational expression. Over here I can actually factor out an m. So I get 8m squared divided by m, 8m. Negative 9m divided by m, negative 9. All over m times 4m minus 2. And at this point I can cancel out the m's, and my final answer will be 8m minus 9 all over 4m minus 2. That's it.